Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something that's not very popular. Why 99% will fail when selling high ticket. I'll tell you the answer that most people believe that is completely false, and that I hear again and again and again from experts, thought leaders, coaches, and consultants. They would say, I don't know how. I don't know how to sell high ticket. I don't know what to say. I don't understand the mechanics of it. That is completely false. After training hundreds of thousands of business owners and experts and professionals on how to sell high ticket, after producing $34.2 billion in documented revenue from my clients and students, I learned about one thing. It has nothing to do with the how, it has everything to do with the who. That means 99% will fail when it comes to selling high ticket because they're not high ticket buyers themselves. It is a who problem, it's not a how problem. Because selling and closing is a transfer of emotions. You need conviction when you sell. How could you have conviction when you're not even a high ticket buyer yourself? Think about it. If you are selling Porsche, you're working at a dealership, and you're driving a Honda or a Toyota, you're gonna have a tough time selling Porsche. I don't even care if you have a lower model and a more affordable model of Porsche, but you need to be a product of the product. How do you get a prospect to come into your dealership and say, hey, you should buy a Porsche, and you're not driving one? And you're saying how great this car is, how amazing this car is. You are being a hypocrite. How can you offer your prospect a $10,000 program when you have not invested in a $10,000 program yourself? How can you sell them something for $100,000 when you have not invested $100,000 in yourself? You're being a hypocrite. It makes no sense. And that conviction, you can't fake it. They will know it and they will feel it. The mechanics come afterwards. The what to say, the how to say it, that is all learnable. But that conviction has to come from you. Remember, you cannot expect others to invest in themselves through you, through your program, through your coaching, at a level greater than you have invested in yourself. Until next time, go high ticket.